Hi, I'm Josie from the Marion's Field to Play 60 team. Today I'm going to make the Captain Cranberry recipe from the 21-day challenge menu. What I'm going to be using is an apple, peanut butter, and cranberries. Okay, so I'm going to cut apple in half like this. Oops. And I'm just gonna do this part away. Okay. So then going to spread my peanut butter on the top of on the top of my on the top of the apple. Okay. Ugh. It's hard. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the cranberries on top of the apple with peanut butter and on this one too. Here is what they look like.